What's going on? It's Spencer from Shreveport Cycles. We're live on location at the Boot Hill Speedway in Greenwood, Louisiana. We're here teamed up with RPM Promotions, Jeff and Lucian, to get a flat track event here in Northwest Louisiana. I was told it's been about 40 years since we've had an event here. So let's pack the crowd. Let's pack the stadium. Let's pack this up. Show everybody that Northwest Louisiana promotes and loves flat track racing. The event takes place Saturday, February 25th, here at the Boot Hill Speedway in Greenwood, Louisiana.